Yep, not too sure why my stream keeps dying, but oh well. I am going to maybe close out some of this stuff, like this guy. Alright. Yeah, alright. Well, based on what I'm reading, it looks like this move function is what I'm going to use. So I'm going to just try to use this and kind of go use this. Okay, so enemy follow. I'm going to push this off to the side. Put it here. Maybe this can go here. Close out the solution for now. Yeah, okay. Alright, so I'm okay with requiring a component type of base collision. Cool. Public float. Horizontal move speed. Public float. Vertical move speed. Public float movement smoothing. Yeah, let's put some default values in here. I'm gonna make it a little slower than the player, but I'll do the smoothing the same. Alright. Private vector 3 velocity, private float velocity x smoothing, private float velocity y smoothing. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be using that yet. Maybe. And of course the custom like physics engine, I guess, is this guy. Okay. So first things first, we'll get that custom physics engine. Player collision. Okay, that's no problem. Good. So okay, if this script is enabled, go ahead and do some stuff. Vector 2 input. I'm gonna do something different here. New vector 2. Actually, instead of input, let's make this target. Okay. This is how I think I'm gonna handle it. I'm gonna get rid of the smoothing for now. Smoothing's just, I guess, icing on the cake. I don't need that. Those two things I'll need. Velocity I'll need. What else do I need? Alright, this is what else. I'm gonna kind of make it a public enum. And I'm gonna just call this target type. And this can be player, mouse. Let's go from null. Null, player, mouse. Or custom. Or game object, I'll call it. Game object. Okay? So there we go. Those are the different target types. Public game object target. Target. Public, so you can move either to nothing, you can move towards the player, you can move towards the mouse, or you can go to game object. Public target type equals target type. Let's just say null for now. Or actually, I'm gonna go straight for mouse. Alright, and this is how I'm going to do it. Alright, if target type is target type dot mouse, we're going to do double equals, my bad. We're going to say follow mouse. Alright, make it a new function. Let's keep going. So follow mouse. What's follow mouse going to do? Alright, so follow mouse is going to make a target. Vector3 target equals Vector3 target position equals actually target 2, right? Equals input dot mouse position. Yeah, okay, makes sense. So that's the target position. What else are we gonna do here? The target position. Vector2 target velocity equals let's go. Vector2 target velocity equals target position minus transform position. Yeah. Is it Vector2 minus Vector3, and that's why it's freaking out? Alright, let's just make it Vector3. Target velocity, target position. Alright, so now we still got to do more stuff with target velocity. Target velocity times equals, or let's just normalize it for now. Target velocity normalized, target dot velocity. This is different because I'm used to doing stuff in like normalizing and timing it, but now we have like a kind of a different horizontal and vertical speed. So this is how I think it goes. So I don't actually normalize it. I basically just say target velocity dot x divide equals horizontal move speed plus vertical move speed. Or actually this whole thing, right? Is that what I want to do? I'm thinking. I don't know. For the time being, normalize. This is how I'm going to do it. Normalize and then just target velocity dot x times equals horizontal move speed target velocity dot y times equals vertical move speed, and we'll call it a day from there. Okay, so we have a target, then we have the velocity of if I move there in one step, what would be the velocity? And then we'll normalize that and put it by basically put the max speed in there. Oh, only if it's this is what I'm gonna do. Forgot to get one more thing. Float max speed equals math f dot max, and we can put the horizontal move speed and vertical move speed. Alright, so we can get the max speed. There we go. Normalize. So if target velocity is greater than, we'll just say magnitude is greater than max speed, then do the following. Otherwise, I'm not too worried about it. Okay. And so once we have the target velocity, we should be able to use this collision thing, right? Collision dot move velocity Alright, what do you need? You need a velocity and an input. Let me see what you're doing one more time. So you're saying player input, update raycast origins, collision info dot reset. Alright. When do you use velocity? Alright, horizontal collisions, yep. Transform, translate velocity. Okay, so that's really all we need. When do you use input? When do you use player input? You don't even use it. Oh, but maybe this is something used elsewhere. Okay. No worries. New vector 2 0 0. There we go. So I'm going to remove this player motor script, add this enemy motor script, move it up one if I can, and you follow. It'd be nice to actually switch these. So the target type is first. Okay, so I'm going to say move the mouse. I'm going to try it. I don't know if it's actually going to work. Actually, let's make sure you're public. Alright, and then play it. Alright, that looks fine. Here we go, honest Abe. Let's put this back. Oh, what am I doing? I'm not doing target velocity. Or we make that velocity, and then we just say velocity equals target velocity, something like that. Maybe. Let's see. Oh, Lord. I broke it. I forgot the times. Time dot delta time. I wonder if I can, it's basically going to my mouse position on the screen. I wonder if there's like a way, mouse position, totally forgot. Let's see if there's any cool things. 2D, mouse position to 2D space, Unity. Alright, screen point to ray, screen to world point, something like that. That's what I want to do. So when I do screen to world point, wherever that may be, camera, it'd be nice to just do that. So let's see, camera dot screen, nope, nothing like that, huh? Oh, wrong camera. Camera dot screen. What do you want? Screen? No? I guess camera's not a thing. Main camera? Camera dot main dot screen to world point. And then I'll just say input dot mouse position. I don't know what's happening. Oh, I think it's going to the Z coordinates too, right? Yeah, let's fix that. Target velocity dot Z equals 0. Never actually do the Z velocity. Oh, but I think it'll still do it, right? And mind you, the player's a little slower, I mean faster, than the enemy. Alright. Something else is up. So I'm going to say the difference in position is going to be a little different than this. So I'm just going to say screw it. No matter what, you're always going to do this. That way you're always moving max speed towards the point. I know it's going to cause some jittering issues. That's another thing. I wonder why here. Why is it so slow? We're normalizing it every time. We are getting the max speed. We're just saying, yep, go max speed. Oh. Alright, this is what we're gonna do. Just for now. Something crazy. We're gonna give you a lot of velocity, just so you're always kind of going full speed, right? It's still not working, huh? I don't know, just some kind of crazy number. Target position minus transformed at position, that makes sense. So that might be something slow, but then if I even multiply it by some crazy number, normalize it, and then times equals the horizontal and vertical speed. Oh, the z direction. I bet you that's what's that's what it's doing. Let me keep my old code. It's the z direction. That's what's killing us all. Target velocity 2D equals new vector 3. Can I put a... Alright, let's just put the two. Target velocity dot x, target velocity dot y. Is it just using xy? Yeah. So, let's try that. But no matter what, target velocity should be a vector 2, right? The other thing we can do is just always normalize it. And when you do that, when you normalize it, I just forget if it's under 1, does it just keep it under 1? So do I have to actually like times equals this by like some crazy number? I'm just looking at the velocity value. I just don't know. What am I screwing up? I just wanted to go full speed towards the cursor all the time. Why is it not doing that? Alright, so let's just say if target velocity is greater than 0, dot magnitude, or dot square magnitude, that's fine. So if the square magnitude is greater than 0, then we'll do something. We'll basically just say target velocity dot x is going to equal target velocity dot x divided by target math f dot absolute target velocity dot x divided by target. So that, is there a sign? Maybe that's even easier. Do you have like sign? Yeah. Target velocity dot x times horizontal movement speed. So now this is just going to move max speed no matter what to the x, y. That's it, right? Target velocity x, target velocity y. Not worried about that right now. Full speed ahead, right? So at least that's full speed, right? I know it's totally not great, but full speed ahead. Alright, great. Private void move full speed towards vector 2 position. And how am I going to do this? Get the max speed. Oh, I don't even need the max speed anymore. Okay. Yeah, here we go. This whole thing. Move full speed towards camera dot main dot screen to world point. Input dot mouse position. Alright, and so all we have to say is we'll just call it position minus transform position Is there like a 2D position? No? Alright, I was just checking. Dot X, transform dot position dot Y. Alright, target velocity. Then we get that target velocity there, and then collision move towards. Okay. I'm going to do a little slow radius kind of thing. So if you're within a certain radius, you'll just kind of slow down. Okay. I'm glad the collision works. That's cool. Alright, excellent. We got one more thing we got to do, and that is... do what? What do we got to do here? Besides do other things like if target type equals target type dot null. We don't have to do dot null. Dot player follow player. And else if target dot type equals target dot type equals target dot top dot game object follow game object. Alright, cool. So follow mouse, move full speed towards towards player. I'm gonna make that a private game object player. This is kind of be more just kind of a find game object that find. Just see if we got a player. Player equals that. We'll just say if player, if not player, player equals that. If not player, towards player dot transform dot position. Okay. So that should be good. And finally, game object. We're just gonna say if game object move full speed towards game object dot transform dot position. All right. Maybe that's good. Okay. So let's give this a shot. I'm gonna hit play. Right away, it's gonna move towards the mouse, I believe. Full speed. And that's okay. Now what if I said move towards player? Now he's just gonna move towards player. Now what if I said game object? He's not gonna move anywhere. But now what if I dragged in player to game object? He's still not moving to the player. So what am I doing wrong? Oh. Wait. Oh, shoot. We better say target. I'm gonna go say follow target game object, and might as well change this to target game object. There we go. This might be a little better. Just follow the mouse, say follow target game object, nothing. But then if I drag player into game object, you follow the game object. Okay, cool. So that's working all right. Now what else do we need to do? Move full speed towards move regular. We'll just say move. We'll introduce some more stuff here. Public. Public float. We'll call this slow radius. And I guess I'll just make it 1. How big is 1 in this world? 1 unit. What is 1 unit? Okay. I don't mind that too much. Yeah, slow radius is good. 1. So this is if it's greater than 0. Let's do another one. If target velocity dot square magnitude is greater than 1. Oh, slow radius times slow radius. Yeah, that sounds good. Or would you say magnitude? That way it's a little just easier to read. Alright, so if we got target that magnitude is greater than slow radius, you do full speed. Else if target velocity I wonder if I just don't say anything. What would happen? I'm just curious. So I'm gonna go slowly. I guess it's gonna go. It's kind of weird, and I know why. I'm about to fix it, but let's see. Where's my enemy? Let's say go to player. Go to mouse. Go to target game object. Go to null. Alright. Let's say... I might do it for both. So this is what I'm going to say instead. If target.x is greater than slow radius, then do that. This feels wrong, but could be right. If target y is greater than slow radius, is that what I want? I think so. So that follows the mouse around. This will follow the player around. Mouse. Target game object. What if I said the target game object was one of our environments? Like wall left. Whoa, how did you go so fast? I don't think that was supposed to happen. Wall right. Yeah, you're okay there, but when I did wall left, you... Oh, shoot. I know what's happening. Math dot absolute. That's what I gotta do. Go do math F? Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. I was only checking the positive, I wasn't checking the negative. Okay, cool. I'm going to say target game object. Let's say wall right. Nice. Good solid 6. Wall left. Good -6. Okay. And then slowly comes to -1. Alright, good. So now there's a few things. How do I get this to stop following me, this main camera? Yep, player transform. Find game object with tag. Oh shoot. That is why. So I'm gonna go to you. You should not have a player tag. You should just have, I'm gonna untag you for now. And I'm okay with that. There we go. So now I got this guy following the mouse. This guy's following something else. Alright. Player. No, run! Run! Oh gosh, he's after me! Alright, cool. I'm happy. I'm happy with this. Let me go ahead and comment this code, and I'm going to try to do it in the C# style. So let's close everything out but my enemy follow. Close all but this. Let's see. Oh gosh, I have no idea how to comment C# code. Who am I kidding? Alright, C# summary comment. Let's see what you got. Alright. Yeah, XML documentation. Let me just figure out a little bit about it. So you got summary, store for the property name, the class constructor, this is the summary, the value, okay. I kind of get it. So let's see. I'm gonna like this more to be one-liner. Let's just say maximum horizontal movement speed for game objects. Maximum vertical movement speed for game objects. Okay. Enumeration of the different target types. Say just follow null by default. This is not a radius anymore, it's more like slow distance. Enumeration of the different target types. So this is going to be specifies what kind of target this game object will follow. Okay. The target, if target type is target game object. The target that is followed if target type is target game object. The distance in an axis X or Y where the game object starts slowing down from max speed, maximum speed. Let's kind of stop it like here, I guess. Okay. I don't know if this is even very much necessary, because we're just using target velocity. Okay. Sorry, I like the one-liners. The player object, the player game object, if found. The player game object, when target type is player. The movement engine. I was trying to make that easy, but that was not easy at all. Alright, let's go here. Lordy. There we go. Just using the default descriptions here. I could change it, but I won't. Move towards. Music. Moves game object towards mouse. Towards player. Towards target game object. Moves game object towards a vector 2. Towards a position. Alright. And with that, I'm cool. Let's go ahead and do something here. This script moves the attached game object towards one of the following targets. Mouse, what's the other one? Mouse, player, and target game object specified by user. Okay. I think that's all I need to do for this. Oh shoot, yeah, let me set this to null right away. Get away. Cool. Alright. What else do I need to do? Shoot, I closed out the script, huh? Well, it's not bad. I think we're set. Alright. So enemy is a prefab? Alright. Let's apply it. Why does this have this thing? Oh, because it has generic human on it. Interesting. I can delete that. Delete it from here. No? Alright, well what I can do is we'll drag another version of enemy here. Delete generic human, yep. Delete this prefab. Yep. This is gonna turn red, I think. Enemy. Let's reset the position here. Ah, reset the position. Everything else seems okay. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, that seems fine. So I'm gonna drag this guy into the prefabs. But then I'm gonna drag this generic human right up in here. And delete this guy. Oh shoot, that's not what I want to do. Delete this guy. And oh gosh, maybe I wanted to reset this. 9090. Alright, and then let's put the enemy over here. Alright, cool. There we go. Enemy. Is that all I needed to do? I think so. Hit play. Seems fine. You can move it towards the mouse. What? Cool. Alright. Uh-oh, what happened? I don't know. Okay. So okay, this is fine. Yum yum yum. I'm happy. That's cool. Put that here. Is there anything else I want to do here? If I delete this, does anyone care? Nope. Okay. How about you? Oh yeah, you care. I can't undo that too, huh? Shoot. Can I re-import? Dope. Okay. Yeah, good. I'm glad. Okay, cool. Anything else? Anything else? I just keep forgetting. I got the 2D characters. That's good. Alright, so we got the enemy follow script. Alright, I'm just gonna make sure everything looks cool in Visual Studio, and then I'm gonna check this into source tree or Git, whatever, and it should be good. So here we go. Yes, please fix all of that. Save that. Close it. One more time. Open up that script just so it make sure it looks okay. Alright, cool. Let's see. C# XML comment author. How do I do that? Sorry, I'm looking at this right here. Nope. Alright, no author. That's okay. I'll just put it here. Edward Thomas Garcia. Enemy follow. Alright, cool. I'm closing this out. I'm happy. Happy enough, at least. Let's keep it going. Let's look at our working copy. Yeah, I'm not going to check that in. The models is good. Temp, generic human, materials, enemy prefab, play scene. Okay. Guess I don't need to change that. I don't think I did any of that. Okay. Let's play scene. Yeah, alright. So I'm going to close this out just in case it asks me to save the project or something. It did not. Okay, that's okay. So yep, you. Play scene, enemy. Yeah, it's acting funky. Just give me a sec to see what happens. Let's go, source tree. There we go. Not doing any of that. Maybe assets to make I don't need either. Okay, that seems good. Where's my music? Not you, not you, not you, not you. Oh, did I accidentally close the music? Oh, here it is. Okay, I'm all good with that for now. Alright, cool. Let's check this in. Added enemy to scene. Added generic human model just to see how it'd look. Added and most importantly for this branch, start it, created the enemy follow script. Alright, so I'm going to commit. Alright, so I have that. So if I go back to branches, maybe enemy follow, I wonder if I can just push. Let's not do that. Development to this. Can I push that to development? Gosh, no, no. No. Is that right? I just want to push the enemy follow to the dev branch. I hope that's right. Alright, cool. So now if I go to GitHub, hopefully this works. GitHub, working on a team, so I gotta make sure I'm pushing to the right repos and everything. So we have one for art and one for development and one for sound, which I'm not part of. So okay, this is the one for development. Enemy follow. Excellent. Alright, add an enemy to scene, add a generic human model just to see how it'd look, and most importantly, for this branch, created the enemy follow script. Yep. That looks good. Okay. I'm happy with that. So here are the branches. My branches. Probably could get rid of that. Cool. Alright. I am going to bed now, so alright, good night everybody. Catch you guys next time. Bye.